Hi, Assalamualaikum, and good day, everyone. We are Team Synergy. Our project focus on the design and implementation of multi-cylinder workstation, especially for block printed batik. So this is our teammate, Amir Alzim bin Makkah, Muhammad Harib bin Muhammad Usni, myself, Muhammad Aizat bin Muhammad Yatim, Sharin Azwar bin Sabaran, and lastly, Muhammad Adam Wafiq bin Cilemans. So in Malaysia, batik is a heritage industry, but the manual stamping process is physically demanding and inconsistent. We are here to propose an automated solution that prevents the art while modernizing the production for the local SMES. SMES stand for small medium enterprise.
To handle the complex task of batik printing, we have engineered a three-station architecture. We use a total of 9 coordinate pneumatic cylinders. Station 1 handles the tension of the fabric. Station 2 manages the waxing process, and the Station 3 performs the final printing. This modular design allows for continuous production flow, replacing manual labor with mechanical precision.
Right. Thank you. For station one, uh, this is to stretch the fabric. So let's look at the mechanical configuration of station one. This station utilizes cylinders A, B, and C. Cylinder A acts as the main fabric lock, while both cylinder B and C extend pull the fabric tight across the frame. This is a critical first step because if the fabric is loose, the wax pattern will smudge and lose its detail. We ensure a drum tight surface for every stem. Now let's look at station 2. We focus on the wax application using cylinders D, E, and F. Cylinders D automates the dipping of the breast stem into the hot wax, while cylinder E then transfer the stem horizontally. And lastly, cylinder F act as a precision stopper. This station is vital for safety as it keeps human operator away from the melted wax.
Finally, we have station 3, the printing heart of the machines. Cylinder G and H serve as alignment clamps to center the stem holder perfectly. And then, the cylinder I, our master press, listens to apply uniform pressure, unlike a manual worker who may apply uneven force. Our pneumatic system ensures every pattern is printed with the exact same depth and clarity.
So, engineering spec and sequential control. The brain of our machine lies in our sequential logic. We utilize 9 double-acting cylinders controlled by 5 two-way solenoid valves. A key feature is our safety interlock. Station 3 is programmed to remain inactive unless the sensor in Station 1 confirms that the fabric is fully clamped. The synergy prevents mechanical collisions and ensures zero fabric wastage. Yes, sir.
In conclusion, our workstation is a bridge between tradition and technology. By automating the heavy lifting and heat exposure, we allow the artisan to focus on the creativity of the design. The system is designed to be affordable for Malaysian SME, helping them scale up production by 300%. Thank you. Thank you.